In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete your Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Open up Facebook app. Tap menu on the bottom right corner. Tap on the gear to open up settings and privacy. And then we need to get into the Account Center. To do that, tap where it says See More in Accounts Center. Then tap on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. Then select your Facebook account you would like to delete. Select Delete Account option. Tap Continue. Tap Continue again. From that list, you can choose any option and then tap on Continue. Tap Continue one more time. After that, scroll down and tap Continue. In this step, we need to enter our Facebook password. Once you've done that, tap on Continue. On this final step, we need to confirm permanent account deletion. Once we tap on Delete Account button, our account will be hidden from Facebook, including our page, our name, and our media content such as photos and videos. All our posts and content will be hidden for 30 days. In those 30 days, we will be able to restore our account simply by logging back in. After 30 days, the account will be permanently deleted. You can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video, and see you in the next one.